Well, my friends, people ask whether any scope about the treatment of stroke or cerebral stroke. Stroke means ধাক্কা, ব্রেনে একটা ধাক্কা পাচ্ছে, তাই তাকে বলা হয় cerebral stroke. The cerebral stroke nowadays is called as cerebrovascular accident. Cerebrovascular accident. And many patients we are having or getting every day, now and then. And we have improved a lot of such patients. This is another case. Today has come from the district place of Sundarban. He is about 51 years, right-sided hemiplegia due to cerebrovascular accident. There is loss of control, loss of balance in the right side of the body. The symptoms are knee jerks are exaggerated, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি নিয়ম আছে, এই পায়ের উপরে তুলতে হবে, তুলতে পারবে, so knee jerks are exaggerated and other symptoms, right-sided hemiplegia, etc. We have enough scope, and for the junior homeopathic physicians or the physicians who want to learn from me the clue of the art of actual homeopathic treatment, I must say the Polycrest medicines are the only safe medicines and have only curable effects. In these cases, in such cases, the most important one is causticum. Of course, symptom similarity is our main motto, and we have to look the symptom similarity of every patient corresponding with the case taking. Because the symptoms, the causticum, when proved, it has shown the symptomatology of the cerebrovascular accident are very similar to symptoms of causticum. See, this is the Hahnemann's original book, Hahnemann's Chronic Disease, where he has written causticum. The symptoms are, mental symptoms are hypochondriac, melancholic mood, sorrowful mood, tendency to get frightened, etc. And the main symptom of the cerebral stroke are found here. Involuntary micturition by day and night, involuntary emission of urine when coughing, sneezing and walking. And there are also other symptoms. This is tremendous weakness. So causticum is a great medicine. Of course, we have to see the other symptoms. Causticum also found desire for meat. In Kent's repertory, it has been mentioned desire for smoked meat. So smoked meat means, I have analyzed, it is nothing but meat. So desire for meat, causticum, lilium teak, maccup, tuberculinum, calcarea carp, etc. are very important. So causticum is great medicine, and other symptoms of the causticum: disturbed sleep, aversion to sweets, constipation, etc. to be looked at. So causticum is the greatest antipsoric and Hahnemann's greatest discovery. See Dr. Nash, the book of Dr. Nash, a very small book. He has given only 315 medicines, and only 1 page or 2 pages are given. Even 1 line or 2 lines are given for some medicines. About causticum, he has given 3 pages, 4 pages. Causticum, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a half. So he was so miser to distribute the pages about the medicines that only 1 line, 2 line, half page was enough to narrating the symptomatology of a medicine. So why he has given 8.5 pages for causticum, he has explained. Dr. Nash has explained, I have given more space to causticum. I have given more space to causticum than I otherwise would. For the reason, Karon, that I am sure that this great remedy is not generally appreciated. I know of no remedy more positive and satisfactory in its action when indicated. I have given more space to causticum, Dr. E.B. Nash. So, causticum is the choice of medicine. Like other cerebrovascular accident diseases, in this case also, of course, every time I am telling that other symptoms 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 must be looked after. Now, what's about the cerebrovascular accident? Previously, it was known as apoplexy. Banglaয় বলা হতো সন্ন্যাস রোগ. The name was changed to cerebral stroke. And lastly, nowadays, the name is given as cerebrovascular accident. The name is very appropriate. Why? Because cerebrum, this is the cerebrum. This is the cerebrum, and this is the vascular systems of the cerebrum. Vascular means the supply. Rupture হয়ে গেছে. দুটো কারণে হতে পারে. There are 2 causes. Either rupture হয়ে blood বেরিয়ে গেছে অথবা ন্যারো হয়ে গেছে লিউমেন, সার্কুলেশন যাচ্ছে না কোনো কারণে, narrowing due to atherosclerosis. So there may be accident. রাস্তে যেমন অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়, কোথাও বালজিং হয়ে এক জায়গায় কনস্ট্রিক্টেড হয়ে আরেক জায়গায় বালজিং হয়ে the artery ruptured, blood escaped out, so accident.
Rupees 3,000 received on phone pay.
Vascular accident. So CVA is given now. Now why it has happened? Many times I have told it is due to damage of the brain cells, damage of the brain tissues, damage to the brain tissue either by cerebral infarction or cerebral hemorrhage. দুটো কারণে হতে পারে. সেরিব্রাল সার্কুলেশন পাচ্ছে না কিংবা হঠাৎ রাপচার হয়ে গেল. যখন পাচ্ছে না, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড অ্যাজ সেরিব্রাল ইনফেকশন, এবং রাপচার হয়ে গেল, ব্লাড জমে গেল, দ্যাট ইজ সেরিব্রাল হেমারেজ. নট ইন সেরিবেলাম. দেয়ার আর 2 পার্টস অফ দ্য মেজর পার্টস অফ দ্য ব্রেন. প্রথম বড় পার্টটার নাম হচ্ছে, দুটো পার্ট আছে, রাইট অ্যান্ড লেফট, সেরিব্রাম, আর পরের দুটো নাম হচ্ছে সেরিবেলাম, বেলাম অ্যান্ড বেরাম. গুলিয়ে ফেলে চলবে না. সেই জাতকের গল্পে ছিল 2 ফেরিওয়ালা, সেরিবা আর সেরিবান, সেরকম সেরিব্রাম অ্যান্ড সেরিবেলাম. মনে রাখতে পারতো না ছেলেরা. আমি যখন অ্যানাটমি পড়াতাম, হোয়েন আই ওয়াজ এ টিচার অফ অ্যানাটমি, আমি এইভাবে মনে রাখতে বলতাম যে নিচে পড়লে সে বাঁচার জন্য বলে গেলাম গেলাম, সো নিচে বেলাম, সেরি বেরাম উপরে আর গেলাম মানে বেলাম নিচে। মেয়েদের যারা অনেক চুল খোঁপা করে, পুরো মাথাটা হচ্ছে সেরিব্রাম আর খোঁপা হচ্ছে সেরিব্রাম। এই ডিস্টার্বেন্সটা হয় সেরিব্রামে। সো ড্যামেজ টু দ্য ব্রেন টিস্যু আইদার বাই সেরিব্রাল ইনফেকশন, সব আমরা কিন্তু সেরিব্রাল বলবো, নট সেরিবেলাম। সো cerebral hemorrhage is called a stroke. So hemorrhage within the cerebrum, not in the cerebellum. Cerebrum মধ্যে হয়ে যায় এই যে arterial systems of the brain or is damaged. কি আনলে আবার? So cerebral infarction in 80 to 85% cases of stroke are caused due to cerebral infarction, that is less supply of the arterial blood. The cerebral infarction is caused due to occlusion of the major cerebral artery. Cerebral artery অনেক আছে, কীভাবে যাচ্ছে সেটা আজকের আলোচনার বিষয় নয়। ভার্টিব্রাল আর্টারি পিছন দিক থেকে এসে ব্রাঞ্চ দেয়, সামনের দিক থেকে আসে ইন্টারনাল ক্যারোটিড আর্টারি, and they are branching. So cerebral infarction is caused due to occlusion of a major cerebral artery, and the subjects are generally elderly people. The lining of the cerebral artery becomes thickened and rough and known as arteriosclerosis. Due to arteriosclerosis, the blood flow in the cerebral artery may be obstructed and form a clot, which is known as thrombosis. তো ব্লাড যখন চলতে চলতে কোথাও ক্লট হয়ে যায় তাকে আমরা কি বলি? থ্রম্বাস। and the process is known as thrombosis. তো ব্রেনের মধ্যে হচ্ছে বলে এর নাম হচ্ছে cerebral thrombosis. So cerebral thrombosis may block any branch of the cerebral artery, and there may be deprived of blood supply into the brain. Now, a thrombus is known as clot, which is known as a clot, may come apart from other parts of the brain too. অন্য জায়গা থেকে আসতে পারে, from the carotid artery of the neck or from the left side of the heart due to urethral stenosis. Various কারণে হতে পারে, and the thrombus may enter into the brain. So the deprivation of the blood supply of the cerebral tissue undergoes infarction within a few minutes. These damaged neurons, this clot damages the neuron and becomes the edematous of the brain parts. After some hours, the result is the cerebral edema, and which causes more damage and impairment of the brain cells. The next cause is, I have told, cerebral hemorrhage. About half the strokes are caused by cerebral hemorrhage. The ruptures generally at the circles of wheels. Hemorrhage may be of two types, due to rupture of the small blood vessels and rupture of the big blood vessels. However, there may be transient ischemic attack, which is an episode of focal neurological dysfunction due to cerebral ischemia, in which symptoms last only 24 hours like that. So let's prescribe Costicam for this patient in 50 millismol scale of potencies. There is urine involuntary, irritable temperament, sympathetic mind, desire for meat, etc. And let's see the result. I do believe this patient will improve a lot.